In the AI era, passive income is revolutionized by technology. Individuals and businesses can create self-sustaining revenue streams that require minimal effort. AI tools automate tasks and enhance efficiency, allowing for income generation without active involvement. One popular method is developing digital products like online courses or ebooks. These products can continue to sell over time, providing ongoing revenue. With AI-driven analytics, creators can identify trending topics, ensuring their offerings are relevant and in demand. Additionally, AI assists in optimizing marketing strategies. It analyzes consumer behavior and tailors communication, increasing engagement and sales conversions. As more people embrace AI, the potential for passive income grows. This presents exciting opportunities for those looking to leverage technology for financial freedom. Active revenue refers to trading time for money. This means your earnings depend directly on the hours you work. Jobs like hourly consulting, freelancing, or salaried positions all fall under this category. You receive a paycheck based on the time and effort you invest in your work. While these roles can provide a steady income, there is a limitation, as you can only work so many hours in a day. This creates a cap on your potential earnings, making it difficult to increase your income without extending your work hours. In contrast, automated revenue opens up more opportunities for income generation. This concept allows you to earn money without investing time continuously. Automated income can come from sources such as subscriptions or digital products like online courses or ebooks. Once you set these systems up, they can generate income with minimal ongoing effort. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the concept of passive income by automating various aspects of content creation and optimizing processes that were once manual. With the advent of generative artificial intelligence models, it is now possible to produce digital assets with incredible ease. These models can create text, images, and even videos that can be sold multiple times, creating a new revenue stream for content creators. Additionally, automation pipelines play a crucial role in this transformation. These pipelines streamline workflows and minimize the need for constant manual intervention, allowing individuals to focus on more strategic tasks. By leveraging algorithms and machine learning, businesses can enhance their operations, reduce costs, and increase efficiency, paving the way for higher profit margins. Furthermore, the scalability offered by cloud computing provides an incredible advantage. With robust cloud infrastructures in place, online businesses can deploy their solutions globally without the need for significant physical infrastructure. Consider developing an AI-driven subscription service that curates personalized content for users. This service could leverage machine learning to analyze user preferences and deliver tailored recommendations. The goal is to create an engaging experience that resonates with each individual subscriber. By understanding user behavior, the service can adapt and improve its offerings over time. To generate revenue, the service could implement a tiered subscription model, providing options for basic to premium content. Each tier would offer unique features, such as exclusive content, ad-free experiences, or early access to new releases. Moreover, the service could incorporate social features, allowing users to share recommendations with their friends and engage with communities that share similar interests. By building a loyal user base, the service can create a sustainable business model that thrives on continuous content evolution and customer satisfaction.